What is empathetic marketing and selling? Empathetic marketing and selling is about moving away from business centric thinking to customer centric thinking. Empathy based marketing is about walking in your customers' shoes to understand their experience and how we can better help them get what they want. You don't want to think like the customer, you want to be the customer. Provide your customers with what they want by understanding what motivates them. It's important to note that the use of empathy in marketing campaigns isn't just a feel-good technique. It allows marketers to step into the shoes of their target audience so they can better understand and respond to their wants and needs, which in turn produces loyal customers and greater business success. It's built on the following ideas. The best selling feels like helping. Selling isn't something you do to people, it's something you do for people. Focus on empathizing with your customers' feeling and understanding their problems. Think like your clients when they set out to solve a problem and discover each step they may take to solve that problem. Understand ways you can help make your customers' lives better. Provide your customers what they want to by understanding what motivates them. Give customer content and expertise that helps them gain clarity. Empower employees who touch your customers with the resources, training, and tools to really help them. Practicing empathetic marketing needs certain skills and knowledge. Let's see how. There are 7 ways to do so. Follow me to know more about it in my next episode.